What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's video we will talk about 5 habits that are separating average guys from attractive guys. Those 5 habits will simply help you to become your most attractive version in every aspect of your life. So if you want to upgrade your attractiveness to the next level, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family, so I can help you out to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, let's start directly with number 1, using eye cream on a daily basis. Even if you're in your 20s, you must use eye cream on a daily basis, simply to prevent wrinkles and any other aging signs in your 30s. But still make sure that you buy a high quality and natural eye cream so that it won't harm your skin. I also use it on a daily basis and it really helped my eyes to look more refreshed and also prevent dark circles as well. So habit number 1, use an eye cream on a daily basis. Let's continue with number 2, don't overcomplicate your style. Keep it simple, focus on minimal clothing pieces, a simple and minimal watch and maybe a chain or a bracelet. You don't need much in order to look your best. Also, don't focus on those high-end brands because it will simply make you look immature and like you're trying too hard. Focus on minimal clothing pieces with a great fit and also make sure that you combine the colors as well. Let's continue with number 3, make sure that you have a good fitness plan for your goal. If you want to build muscles, you must have a fitness plan that is supporting your goal. For example, you can't do only cardio training because it will not lead to more muscles. Make sure that you do your research before you start with your training and also make sure that your diet is on point as well. Because in the end your diet is responsible for 70% of the success in the gym and the actual training is only responsible for 30%. But still make sure that you focus on both so you can become in your best shape. Let's continue with number 4, stop watching porn. Watching porn on a daily basis will simply drain your energy, kill your motivation and also lead to bad skin as well. Simply replace this bad habit with a good habit that brings you forward in life. Trust me, as soon as you stop watching porn, you will have much more energy to achieve whatever you want. And last but not least, number 5, stop focusing on other people and set the focus completely on yourself. Become your best version in every single aspect of your life, financially, physically and mentally. Stop caring too much about other people and their opinions. In the end, we only got this one life and we all want to use it as best as possible. So please do yourself a favor and your future self a favor and set the focus completely on yourself. And yeah guys, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.